Hello YouTubers, my name is Eggy and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a high-grade mobile dual made from Bandai that I built, and on today's video I'm going to show you how I built this. This being a Bandai kit was very easy to build. Parts were easy to separate and clean, and they fit all together without any fitting issues. So like usual, I cut each part out and assembled them following the instructions. And this is how the kit looks like when it's built straight out of the box without any painting. The kit as itself looks good, but there are some limitations with its articulation, especially on its torso, which makes the kit a bit hard to pose. I decided to paint this kit to its original color. To paint, I begin by separating each part and cleaning them. I made sure the parts are nice and smooth and they were washed using a warm soapy water to remove any grease. I primed them using the acrylic paints. Some of the parts, such as the black, I used a black primer as its main color. I did paint light colors with different shades to give some depth, but this being a small kit, it was not really needed. Some of the smaller details, such as the green parts, were painted using a hand brush. I could have painted it using an airbrush by asking the parts, but hand brushing would have been faster. And here is a finished kit. Well, I don't think you need to paint this kit to make it look good, but extra work I've done to it does make it look better. The limited articulation became worse after painting it due to the fear of scratching the paint, but for the static poses, it will do. Despite the problems, due to its low cost, I do recommend this kit. Plus, it has a lot of customization potentials due to the similar parts as other build diver kits and Figure-Right standard kits. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll put a link down below to my blog where you can see more pictures of the finished kit. Please press the like button if you liked it, and subscribe, because in the next video, I'm gonna build this.